Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 pellet stoves available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered the quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best pellet stoves. The 5th product on our list is the Pellet pellet stove. With an 81.6 efficiency rate, Pellet pellet stove is a powerful heater that features 50,000 BTU input and 40,600 BTU output that equals the loss of heat. The high BTU output allows this appliance to occupy up to 2,500 square feet of heated space. Moreover, its large capacity hopper can give out up to 96 hours of burning time. It also has a powerful variable speed blower of 120 volts, and it plugs into a 110 outlet. Pellet has a 130-pound hopper capacity that can offer up to 4 days between refueling. It also features a self-emptying fire pot that extends the time between cleaning. Additionally, this pellet stove comes with automatic ignition and an intuitive dial thermostat that can produce comfortable heat. Made with steel, Pellet measures 22.8 by 24.5 by 36.5 inches and weighs 243 pounds. It is EPA certified for its clean burning performance for being the best-in-class fuel economy. It is also mobile home improved with the included fresh air intake. Lastly, it is covered by a 5-year firebox and a 1-year electrical for the pellet heater. Its pros are: it has 3 different heat settings. It is durable. It distributes heat evenly, and it comes with an artistic design. However, the cons are: the control knob may be hard to figure out, and it produces an invisible flame. Pellet pellet stove is powerful, affordable, and economical. If these are qualities you are looking for in a pellet stove, you should consider this one. Up next in the 4th place is the Q stove. Q stove is a wood pellet stove that serves as an alternative to standard polluting fuels. Its company aims to support sustainable, non-fossil biomass fuels to save forests and reduce air pollution. It is perfect for recreational activities like camping and patio parties. It is more efficient than outdoor propane, electric heaters, and campfires. You can take it with you when you go camping, hunting, or RVing because of its portable design. It provides 3 times heat output of up to 106,000 BTUs with a 10-foot heating area. This is the highest BTU output for any patio heater. It is easy to assemble. You will not need any tools. All it takes is 5 minutes, and you are ready to go. It does not have any moving parts either, which means maintaining it is hassle-free, and it will serve you for a long time. The wood pellet fuel it uses is made from sawdust. Considered as carbon neutral and green energy, it will leave no tricks. It also creates less ash, making them safer and cleaner. You can also count on its heat and light without augers or electricity, thanks to its gravity feed pellet system. Moreover, it will only cost you 50 cents per hour of fuel. This is less than any other heaters on the market. Its pros are: it is easy to assemble and use. It is durable. It uses sustainable fuel. And it has no smoke output. However, it is expensive. Q stove is a pellet stove that is both beautiful and eco-friendly. Moreover, it is cost-effective and more efficient than gas. It may be expensive, but it sure is an ideal investment. Still haven't found the pellet stove that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the US stove company GW1949. Most pellet stoves come in big sizes, best for 1,500 plus square feet homes. But if you live in a smaller house, a small pellet stove is a more practical option. The U.S. stove company GW 1949 is regarded as the best small pellet stove in the market. It comes with 40,000 BTUs, and it can heat up to 2,000 square feet. Moreover, it measures 15 by 52 by 24 inches and weighs 131 pounds only. So installing it is easy. It is even a freestanding pellet stove. There is no need for a chimney. All you have to do is drill a small hole in the wall to install it. This EPA-certified non-electric pellet stove uses a natural gravity feed system that eliminates all mechanical parts. This means that there will be less maintenance and breakdowns. GW 1949 is easy to use. All you have to do is heat the burn chamber and flue. Then, start the pellet flow with a propane torch. You can make adjustments just by opening and closing the fresh air intakes on the front. Moreover, it has a window that allows you to see the flame traveling up the stove's body. Its pros are, it occupies less space, it is easy to install, it does not require any electricity hookup, it heats up to 2,000 square feet for 36 hours, and it comes fully assembled. However, the cons are, it does not suit big homes, and it has no option to use electricity. The U.S. stove company GW 1949 is ideal for cabins used seasonally and lacks electric hookup. Its compact and easy-to-install design makes it easy to fit into small spaces. The second product on our list is the Comfort Build HP22SS. Comfort Build HP22SS is a powerful pellet stove with the highest heating capacity of 50,000 BTU. It can be used in large-scale buildings thanks to its equally high heating area of 2,800 square feet. It is also notable that Comfort Build is a brand that makes powerful pellet stoves, ideal for heavy-duty usage during winters. You can be assured that this is one of the best pellet stoves that money can buy. HP22SS comes with a stylish design that will look great in your living room or any other place in your home. It has carbon black bay windows with large glass viewing panels and stainless steel door trim. It also has a handy digital control panel with a thermostat that ranges from 61 to 84 degrees. Moreover, it is built with a large hopper capacity. It can hold up to 55 pounds of fuel, so there is no need to refill it often. Its pros are, it is powerful, it works quietly, it has great build quality, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. However, the cons are, it is expensive, and it has a large footprint. Nevertheless, you can rely on Comfort Build HP22SS to provide you with efficient heating all winter. So if you have the budget and space, you should go for it. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top pellet stove is the Castle Pellet Stove Serenity. Castle Pellet Stove Serenity will reinvent the way you heat your home this winter with its new smart controller. This controller gives you the power to choose manual, thermostat, and weekly operational modes to heat your home on your schedule. This pellet stove lets you set a local thermostat or manually set it on one of the 5 burn levels using its calendar and time-based heating options. Like other Castle pellet stoves, Serenity provides you affordability, style, and practicality. You will love to have it in any room in your house thanks to its space-saving and attractive design. Moreover, this pellet stove is made to be easy to clean. You will not have to stress over tubes, corrugations, or hidden chambers. With 31,960 BTU, it can heat up to 1,500 square feet. It only takes around 5 minutes to get Serenity working. Its ash pan is easy to use, and you can expect to use 40 pounds of pellet per day. It is efficient and economical. You will not need any fuel. Also, you will not be using a lot of electricity for the hopper and fan. Its pros are, it has 5 fire burning levels. It is easy to use. It comes with a smart controller. It is easy to clean, and it has an attractive design. However, it is expensive. Still, you can be assured that Castle Pellet Stove Serenity can serve you for a long time. Well built and durable, it comes with excellent features that are easy to use. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.